Hey everybody, Kerry from Bab's Speed Warehouse today. I'm going to share with you something really cool. We're going to start doing some short videos of some interesting things around here. This is let me pull these out. This is the black lip mollusk. This is a freshwater mollusk, and this is what pearls grow in. Now you can see the nacre, which is the layers, and all these colors are totally natural. So you can see that. So that would be the different colors that you have in natural pearls. Now if you notice this in here, that bump, that is a pearl that grew onto the mantle. That is known as a blister pearl or a Mabe pearl. So here's one here. So this is a blister pearl. It's got part of the shell, and then it's got the pearl coming out of the shell. Now, in my knowledge, when you cut this all the way up to the pearl, that would be then a Mabe pearl. Otherwise, with the shell attached to it like this, it's a blister pearl. These are great for wire wrapping. You can drill them fairly easy too if you wanted to. But I would say wire wrapping would be cool. Now, I don't sell these online. We have them in the store. So if you're interested in buying them, come down to the store. I used to sell the shells. I only have a couple left. And I really like them. So I really don't want to sell them. So that's the difference between a Mabe pearl, blister pearl, and how they're grown. Hey, if you like these short videos, put it in the comments section. Then I'll make more short videos of it. A lot of people don't have a big attention span, especially me, so I like to watch short videos myself. So I hope you liked the video, and subscribe to the channel. That would be really terrific. Would really appreciate that. And you all have a great day.